Hello. The philosophy of language. Linguistic and philosophy focuses on issues related to structure and meaning in natural language. As addressed in the philosophy of language, linguistic semantics, syntax, and related disciplines, in particular the following areas: philosophical theories of meaning and truth, reference, description, entailment, presupposition, implicatures, context dependence, and speech acts. Linguistic theories of semantic interpretation in relation to syntactic structure and prosody of discourse structure. Lexical semantics and semantic change. Psycholinguistic theories of semantic interpretation and issues of the processing and acquisition of natural language, and the relation of semantic interpretation to other cognitive faculties. Mathematical and logical properties of natural language and general aspects of computational linguistics. Philosophical questions raised by linguistics as a science. Linguistic methodology, properties of linguistic theories and framework, and the relation of linguistics to other fields of inquiry. Introduction. Language constitutes an interplay of levels: syntax, lexis, graphology, phonology, and semantics. While the first four levels entail choices, the last level provides an interpretative framework for the meaning outcomes of the choices. Practical criticism and stylistics lend themselves to the analysis of the language used in a particular text, discipline, collection of works, genre, etc., with the goal of collating the special features which distinguish one kind of communication from the other. A philosophy of language. The nature and goal of philosophy are to stimulate critical and logical thoughts on issues based on objectivity and clarity. The following are some of the areas philosophy has influenced the study of language, including English. Empiricism and descriptivism are twin concepts that have overthrown mere historicism and prescriptivism that characterized the early approaches to language study. Modern grammars are scientific, descriptive, methodological, and analytical. According to Woolwork J., a scientific grammar will attempt to provide a logical and self-consistent account of how language works. It attempts, for instance, to answer the problem to explain how constructions are related. Paul Grice and philosophy of language. Grice is well-known critic of ordinary language philosophy, and one of his main target was J.L. Austin and a style of reasoning he popularized. Austin thought there was a relatively clear notion of what it is inappropriate to say, and that we could delineate truth conditions by identifying instances of inappropriateness. For example, he inferred from typically when one acts, it would be inappropriate to say either that one acted voluntarily or that one acted involuntarily. Typically, when one acts neither voluntarily nor involuntarily, as Grice convincingly argues that the inference fails because being untrue isn't the only form of inappropriateness. Something may be true but inappropriate to say for other reasons. An overview. Philosophy of language. Scope and background. Thought, communication and understanding. Skepticism. Words and ideas. Frege's revolution. Russell's theory of descriptions. Wittgenstein treatise. Logical positivism. Ordinary language philosophy. Three approaches to linguistics: the externalists, the emergentists, the essentialists. Thank you. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.